Applied voltages and resulting currents considered so far were constant with respect to time, that we call as a DC voltage and current. But waveform that we see on slide at top left corner is changing with respect to time. As we move along positive x-axis, voltage rises initially and reaches some peak value. When we further move along positive x-axis, voltage drops gradually and reaches zero value. The intersection of this curve with positive x-axis is known as zero crossing of voltage waveform. As we move further along positive x-axis, absolute value of voltage rises but in negative direction. Subsequently, waveform reaches negative peak value. Finally, absolute value of voltage drops from negative peak value to zero. This change from zero to positive peak, then zero crossing, and then negative peak, and finally zero is known as one cycle of supply voltage. Initially, we will measure this length along positive x-axis in time, and therefore is known as period of voltage waveform. In some situations, this length is suitable to be measured as 2 pi radians or 360 degrees. Accordingly, voltage waveform reaches peak in 2 pi radians or 90 degrees. It reaches zero crossing at pi radians or 180 degrees, and finally waveform completes its negative part in the remaining two quadrants. This change occurs in the value of voltage by following either time or angle in radians. Both of these voltage values of time and angle are made to increase using the expression omega t. If we replace omega by either 2 pi f or 2 pi by t, then we see that as time elapses from 0 to infinity, angle also goes from 0 to infinite cycles. This rising angle is substituted as an argument to sine ratio that we see on slide. So value of sine ratio keeps on oscillating between 1 and -1. This changing voltage using sine function allows us to represent voltage using phasors. Phasor is a line segment whose one end is considered as a tail of phasor and other end is attached with arrow. Such a phasors are shown on slide. When these phasors represent sinusoidal AC voltage, they trace a circle. These phasors are supposed to rotate in anticlockwise direction so that their projection on y-axis represent instantaneous value of AC voltage. We may get any number of instantaneous values of voltages with a period of one cycle depending upon division of time or angle. Mathematical expression for AC voltage that we have described so far is shown on slide, that contains peak value as Vm, and result of this expression is instantaneous voltage. When we supply such a voltage to resistor element, then depending upon value of resistance, current is supplied by source. The supplied current also in the form of sine wave. Both the waveforms voltage and current are shown on slide along with circuit. It may be noted that both waveforms reach their zero and peak values simultaneously. Single phase supply that we get in commercial and residential locations is 50 cycles per second. So period of these waveforms is 1 by 50 seconds or 20 milliseconds.